Dip the rim of a chilled cocktail glass in some chocolate syrup. Then dip that into some crushed almonds. Slowly drizzle caramel syrup around the interior of the bowl of the cocktail glass. Then chill the glass in the freezer. Fill a cocktail shaker with ice and pour in 1 ounce of caramel vodka, 1 ounce of chocolate liqueur, 1 ounce of half and half, and half an ounce of Amaretto, and shake until blended and chilled. Then pour into your chilled cocktail glass. And you're ready to enjoy the English Toffee Martini, a candy-inspired cocktail created and brought to you by MartiniDiva.com. Cheers, my dears.